Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lizzie, and please be sure to subscribe down below and join the family and join my journey on YouTube. Anyway guys, as you can tell by the title, I'm back with another Glossybox unboxing. Whoop whoop. Yeah, like guys, I literally just came back home. Got back home and I saw that my box has arrived. So I was like, oh, let me quickly do an unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. As we know, August is their birthday month and they're celebrating their birthday, and look at that. That is a cute box. Like, how cute is that box? I do know that they announced their skincare line. So yeah, Glossybox now has a skincare line and everything. So this is the leaflet that's in this box this month, birthday edition. Look at that, that's all the good stuff. Start off with the Glossybox skincare. This is eye boost cream. So it says, proudly introducing the luxurious eye cream from our newly launched Glossybox skincare range. Original retails at £20. Subscriber price, if you're subscribed with them, you will be able to get it for £16. That's the full size. We've got Huda Beauty Demi Matte cream lipstick, and it says it won't be a Glossybox party. It won't be a glossy party without Huda Beauty. You receive 1 of 10 of this, and this is the shade that I received. So I received Lady Boss. Ooh, who's the boss? I'm the boss. So yeah, I received Lady Boss, and the original retail price of this is £18. Next, we've got the HP Wonder Complexion Sponge here, and so yeah, it's a 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour and highlight. And you can use the round side to cover large areas and the flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach smaller areas.
That's it, guys. Perfect.
This one retails for $5.49 and this is full size. Next we have this shower gel, rhubarb and rose bath in shower gel, and this is a deluxe mini, and the deluxe mini is worth £7.33, whereas the full size, this is 100 ml, whereas the full size is 300 ml, and that is for £22. And finally we have Steve Laurent lip liner, and this is full size, and yeah, this is Vogue lip liner, and this retails for £12.09. So yeah guys, that's the lip liner and everything. I can't wait to try their skincare range. So there's the deeply cleansing cream, 3-in-1 rich moisturizer, gentle framing cleanser, purifying charcoal cleanser, night serum, exfoliating clay scrub, daily gel cleanser, hydrating mist, 3-in-1 moisturizer, and then the high boost cream. So many different things to try out with their skincare range. But yeah, I'm gonna add up everything for you guys. So guys, the total of everything, so I'll tell you 2 different totals, because there's 2 different totals for this one, because of the Glossybox skincare. So obviously if you're a subscriber, you get the skin eye boost cream for £16. So with that included in the price of everything else, that's £58.91. However, if you're not a subscriber and the cost of that is then £20, so that takes the total to £62.91. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and yeah, I should see you in my next video. Bye guys.